Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card. Be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. All right, which envelope has our quotes today? I am grateful for new experiences and opportunities. People pleasing only leads to regret. Don't complain about low energy levels if you are not prioritizing sleep, nutrition, moving your body daily. Action over complaints. And the last one today, I am doing things that feel good for me. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios. Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's pick an animal card today. Sea otter, happiness. Be the master of playful living. Release expectations and enjoy every day. Let go. Let worry go and instead choose love. Surrender to the waves. Your good destiny of love is sure. All right, which envelope or box has our quotes today? Let's pick this one today. Stop leaving and you will arrive. Stop searching and you will see. Stop running away and you'll be found. I've decided I'm not old. I'm 25 plus shipping and handling. That one's cute. Humans are imperfect. So instead of striving for perfection, let's strive for fulfillment, wholeness, growth, healing, understanding, compassion, awareness, and love. Yes, yes. Meeting you has been one of the best things that happened to me. I think about you all the time. Balance isn't fitting everything in, it's starting with what's important and letting the rest fall as it will. Erica Lane. Next time you feel resentful, ask yourself, am I resentful because they crossed my boundaries, or am I resentful because I crossed my own boundaries by giving more than I'm actually comfortable giving? That's a good one to check. When you live in complete acceptance of what is, that is the end of all drama in your life. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios. Hola, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick this little one today. Loving yourself is being your own nurturing parent. Humble the poet. Your kids don't need perfect parents. They need happy ones. There comes a time when you need to stop blaming a clown for acting like a clown and start asking yourself why you keep going to the circus. Smile at the people you see and brighten their day. And the last one today, self-love isn't trying to fix ourselves, but accepting who we are. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.